Yo, check this out. I have some $5 sweatpants from Walmart. These are the Fruit of the Loom. As you may all know, that this may not be the best quality. However, this will substitute other sweatpants you can buy off the market that cost like 2 or 3 times as much as this. But honestly, comfortability, you'll see. You're gonna thank me later. But yeah, go to Walmart. These are like $5, and so this is what you'll get. We're gonna circumcise these hoes. I'm no doctor, but trust me, anyone can do this. And I'm pretty sure most of you have already done this before in your life sometime. But honestly, this is the way to go. For one, they look nice on you. You know, they're just super comfortable. You know, you sleep in them, do whatever you want with them, alright? But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna set this aside for now. We're gonna go ahead and open what we're gonna need, supplies. So of course we're gonna need some scissors, a ruler. Again, keep in mind these are just typical things that you'll have at home already, so shouldn't be a problem. I mean, if you don't have a measuring like, you know, one of these, you can just use this. All right. Either way, I'm gonna do both ways, so you guys know exactly how to do it if you don't have a pair of shorts that already kind of fit you. You know. I just started copying this one. I like the length of these. These are golf shorts. So then these are slightly above the knee, which I like because, you know, you can do whatever you want. You know, they're just super comfortable. All right, so if I can just measure this right. So these are approximately 18 from the waistband down to the hem. So 18. The ones that I previously done, I think the 18 too. Well, these are 16. So they do shrink over time. So if you don't want much shrinkage, I would say they shrink like an inch and a half, maybe a little less than that. You're gonna lay it down. And again, it's better to use brand new ones, because if you've already tried them on, most likely there's some places that have already been stretched out, so you might have uneven cuts. So it's best to use brand new shorts and stuff. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take your shorts, spread them out, put them on top. Make sure the top's aligned, and that's it. That's it right there. So if you want to do, again, you don't have to do this. Oh, see, like, look at that. See, I've already messed up. But like I said, it doesn't really matter. That's kind of the look we're going for. Makes so that's how you do that, right? All right. So let's just say you don't have shorts, right? You're gonna lay down your tape, and there we go, 18 inches right there. Make sure it's just straight. Oh, damn. You just poke a hole there. You're doing the crotch area. You guys can see that, right? Let me put this down a bit. So you just keep it straight, don't matter. Just make sure it's, I got it on my carpet. Damn. Alright, whatever. So here we go. Make a little dot there on the 18. And then all you gotta do is, I mean, you might as well just use this to make straight lines. So all you got from there is just make little dots. There we go. Bam, you see how easy that is? That's super easy, huh? Super easy. And then all you just gotta do is cut. Bam. There you go. And then you got yourself some shorts. See? Oh. No, never mind. Alright, so, or as an alternative way, make sure it's even. And then just use this as a copy, you know? Just to make sure you got the same cut on both sides. Trust me. Just because it looks like I'm cutting all bad, cutting in different ways, trust me, this is the look we're going for. Because look, honestly, it looks really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on so you guys can see. Alright.
suicide. So in your life, my average life is simply right. Let's live a life. Think you're living great, but you're not. So much more to life than just a house and car. Think you'll be alright with your average job.
Yo, consider this operation complete, man. Boom. Where the sweatpants at? Nowhere to be seen. The sweatshorts now. So, I mean, super simple. $5. Go to Walmart, go to Target, wherever they sell sweatpants for the low. You can do this yourself. So, my name's Omar G. This was Sneak Preview. I kept it short as possible, but it was simple. Anyhow, I'm out. Deuce.